Is your Windows 10 or 11 PC running slow? In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to speed it up by clearing the cache. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and drop a heart in the comments. Like always, let's begin from the very start. So press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. This lets you quickly open apps, folders, or system tools by typing commands. Otherwise, you can search Run to enter in search bar. In the Run box, type prefetch. Prefetch is a hidden Windows folder that stores files to help apps open faster by preloading commonly used programs. After typing, don't forget to click OK. Windows will ask for permission. Click Continue to proceed. When the folder opens, press Ctrl plus A to select all files. Then press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete them. Shift plus Delete skips the recycle bin, so the items can't be easily restored. If this message pops up, don't panic. Check Do This for all current items and choose Skip. Some files are in use by the system and can't be deleted. This is normal, so just skip them. Now press Windows plus R again to open the Run box. When Run opened, type cleanmgr and click OK. This opens Disk Cleanup, which helps remove junk files to free up space and improve performance. Make sure Drive C is selected. Choose Drive C if it isn't. Under Files to delete, tick all the boxes. Click OK. Then confirm by selecting Delete Files. Once more, press Windows plus R to open Run. Type temp and click OK. Temp is a folder where Windows stores temporary files. These are safe to delete and help free up space. When it opens, press Ctrl plus A to select everything. Then Shift plus Delete to remove the files. Click Yes to confirm. Again, press Windows plus R to open Run. Type %temp% and click OK. This opens your user's temporary files folder. Deleting these can free space and fix some slow or lag issues. Press Ctrl plus A to select all files. Then Shift plus Delete to delete them. Click Yes to confirm. If a message appears, check Do This for all current items and choose Skip. And that's how you can clear cache and speed up your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.